What up, y'all? We're back. I don't think I'm gonna make many trades for the rest of the day, but we'll finish up the song contest for sure. I'm actually kind of tired. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. There's a pickle there. Always great when there's a pickle. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I kind of am like tired. I think I want to like. I want to go for a nap. I want to go lay by the pool. That's what I want to do. I'll see you guys later. I'm going. Hey.
Hi. Pickle, you want pickle? But pickle is resting. Okay. You get pickle. Oh, come on. ASMR.
What's he gonna say?
You'll be like, what's up, foo?
He doesn't cry whenever you.
He's so calm. Look at him. Yeah, he doesn't bite my nose off. But he bites yours.
Like.
Yeah.
What have we got this?
Your jalapeno chip.
Like junk food.
What?
No, I'm alright. I was
Mommy?
thinking. I was like wanting some candy.
What?
I don't know. I was thinking like.
Some candy? I don't want junk food. I want candy.
That's not junk food.
How's that not junk food?
It's not food. It's a snack. Doesn't count. It's junk snack. All right, whatever. Oh yeah, I've been snacking on them. What's up, guys? Smack the like button, please. Give us some love there. Today we're gonna continue immediately. We got a lot of songs to get through for the song giveaway contest. The song writing contest. As you in the stream, don't forget to throw pickles in chat, rockets in chat. Thank you for the return. 20K day. Sorry, put this up here. Y'all can see it. According to Chat GPT that added it all up. I think I'm done for the day. I have one account that maybe can still make some trades on. I think whenever you get days like this, what I wait for is any kind of fake out candle that drops below the lows and then I long right back up to there. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to get a nice little fake out. Let's say like 65.80 or something. I'll top it off with this last account here that can make some moves. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. So that would be like Nasdaq at the open, huh? Res is still bouncing around too. We might actually get it. Yeah, I think a lot of people are trying to think about longing here. If I do get a flush, I'll probably take that. So let me see if I can't draw this up. Like a fake flush candle that closes out green. I feel like that's probably good. Like I'd want to see that. There. DD ban is the next 7. If I miss out on that, I miss out on that. But I think this account right here has some room to. And actually, probably these two I can also move on as well. Nope. Nope. I can't. These are locked. Those are locked. I can't do those. I can do this one, yeah. Locked. Like passed. Like these are the last two of my funded X evals to get passed. Yeah. So like those are basically the no DLLs that they had like last week or whatever. The final two when I said I was buying some to pass them. These are the last two to pass. So they're at target. So I can't, yeah. So I can't trade them anymore. So funded X had that no DLL 40% off sale. I topped off some of them. So these are just two to pass. So that's it. Yeah. So I can't, they're locked out. So I set profit target locks on them so that when you pass or when you get to a certain profit, it doesn't let you trade on them anymore. So they don't accidentally trade on them. So they're physically locked. Like if you go to your Tradeify or Tradeivate, you can actually open it up and then set profit targets on it. And then it locks, it doesn't let you make trades on it while you have that lock on it. It's pretty cool. So I can only trade in yeah, that's it. Just this one right here. That's the only one I can't even do. Okay, so there's this guy right here. That's the one. So for NASDAQ, I'll take one more trade at 980 if I get it. That'd be nice. S&P. The gauge for S&P, but the S&P would drop to maybe like 65.80 as well. I mean, I would just be like a scalp if anything. Positive res, NASDAQ is moving higher, good. Yeah, so it would be so cool just to see a flush. Find lower lows and I'll get back on the end. Where can you see that? Set that in the platform or dashboard. If you open up at the top of your platform and the top right, you'll see there's like 3 little horizontal lines. I think is what it looks like. Let me look at mine real quick. Oops. You click it. And each of your accounts is listed, and then you just open up the button. I think it says like set risk settings or whatever. So in the top right of your platform, gonna be or 3 vertical lines. Sorry, it looks like kind of like sliders. Application settings, and then it'll say accounts is the first tab, and each of the accounts has a button that says risk settings. You can open it up and then set like daily loss limit, weekly loss limit, daily profit trigger, weekly profit trigger. The daily profit trigger, you can set a lock on your account so that you don't go over. Oh, thank you, K-Spec, for helping him out with that. If I did take along at 65.85 in your opinion, not financial advice, what would my profit target be? Upper DD band is always the target. For me. Only 4% of days break this and keep going. 96% of days stay below this. Doesn't mean I short it, but it means I pretty much always trade a green line and get out. That's it. So if I were personally getting it at 85 to 95 is a great scalp. It's a very good scalp. Now, again, if I were kind of like a more serious trader and trying to make a bigger trade on this particular trade, I'm already kind of like not so serious about it because I'm almost done. But if I got in, say, like 3 contracts here and it made it to target, I could close out 2 and I'd hold 1 for the runner. And that would be when I'd do it. But I would normally scalp to band and close out. Yeah. If you put a lock, does it X you out of the trade? Yeah, that's the best part about it. That's how I get out of all my trades, like where I want to be. So every night I program each one of those accounts, part of my night routine, to end where I want them to end. And that way I don't have to think about it. That helps when you're not copy trading like I do. That does a lot of the blunt work. You can set a loss limit in each of the accounts. It'll stop automatically. You can set a profit limit on each of the accounts. It'll exit automatically too. You almost have to do that when you manually trade your accounts like I do instead of copy trading. It's hard to go through and like manually close everything. You know, like if the market goes up way too fast, you're like, shit, my consistency's blown. You're like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. You think it might be great to make that much. It actually sucks because you blew your account to the upside. So that prevents that from happening in case you're gonna overlook something. It gives you that limit. You're a manual guy. There you go. It's on Tradeovate, Alec. Okay, guys, it is time to do some more songs. The way this is gonna work, we're voting on finalists now. I'm gonna play 2 songs. You're gonna vote on, do you like 1 better, 2 better, both, or neither? They're gonna be funny songs, goofy songs, meaningful songs, songs that make you laugh, songs that make you cry. Who knows what we're gonna have? But we're just gonna do that for the afternoon instead of listening to the slow jams. Play some pretty decent jams from everybody's stuff. Okay. So the last song we ended on yesterday was Knife Catchers Anonymous. So now we have 2 songs coming up. Oops. This one's called Market Wizards. Market Wizard. While we're chilling here,
the market began to fade. Let go from his job, was making a great wage. He studied chemicals, then decided to trade. Started on a journey, Noah's trader's paradise.
is this like the Kings of Leon? Dude, this is good. I like it.
The platform was born after years of market pain. Long nights of drinking those Monster energy drinks. Blood pressure started to rise, but he pursued his dream. Doctors said no go, so he cut caffeine.
Imagine Dragons, Kings of Leon sort of like mix. Definitely Imagine Dragons, dude.
Now he only takes the best statistical trades. Darbs left and right, to green to ignore. That's how the rocket scooter crew and the lead.
Some Foo Fighters-ish to it. I can hear it.
Matt started longing and he just couldn't stop. Keep hitting those levels every time the market dropped. He's a stock market wizard. Dollar signs in his eyes. All of you better recognize the market wizard every single time. In a profession full of fakes, Matt stands alone. He predicts the market, tells the others to just go home. Now he just keeps trading, there's no end in sight. He fills his golden squalid until the tail pops
The
off.
Golden Squalid. Memories.
He's a stock market wizard. Dollar signs in his eyes. All of you better recognize the market wizard every single time.
It's quality. I dig it.
Doc is her name. They bought a pickle who won't poop in the rain. It's a happy ending.
Bought a pickle that won't
He'll
poop
be
in the rain.
inducted in the stock market Hall of Fame. He's a stock market wizard. Dollar signs in his eyes. All of you better recognize the market wizard every single
That's a great track. What's up, everybody? Hey, everybody, welcome to the stream. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hello, hello, welcome here. What's up, Keith? Bro, you hate gold? Dude, gold? Yeah, I hate trading gold, man. I hate trading commodities in general these days. Gold's tough. Has anybody had success with the fast track on ETF? I know I have 5 accounts in your hands. Don't want to waste your opportunity with these past accounts. Heather, anybody have any question? Can help Heather with her question. I've never done the fast tracks with the ETF. Do you have any tips or advice from her? Somebody I remember said in chat today that they're for small trades, base hits sort of thing. Any trailing drawdown, I'd say aim for base hits, like 1-to-1s, really small trades, and just work your way there slowly rather than letting the trailing drawdown get you. So trailing drawdown, usually the enemy of a big move is trailing drawdown. So try to make a decent move. Okay, Stock Market Wizards. Song number 1, Stock Market Wizard. And then True Love Trading. Oh God, these are both good songs. You can choose both. You can choose one. You can choose 2. Yeah. Let's go to Wall Street. Rocket Scooter, my breakout flame. 1988. You just rode your bike to the mall. You saved up enough money to buy a Nintendo game. You go to KB Toys. You buy Super Mario Brothers 2. You go home. You got a Capri Sun and a little Debbie waiting for you. You and your little brother turn on that Nintendo. You got the cheat codes written in your Trapper Keeper. You know where all the warp whistles are? Sipping on Kool-Aid. You just slammed 9 cooler jammers. Oh hell yeah, dude! The Kool-Aid, the little Kool-Aids in the plastic tube things where you twist the top off. All right, so these are going to the semifinalists. The Rocket Scooter, You're My Breakout Flame, the 80s song. That's just so clever, man. That was such a good one. Awesome, awesome. Okay, you got your votes in, you guys. All right, everybody vote. 10 a.m. 6 over the John. Yeah, they both made it. They both made it. Stock Market Wizard is awesome too. I love that one. I love the Kings of Leon. They good. All right. Cool. You guys I might actually get that long after all in a little bit. Let's see. I want to get like a quickie little drop candle that drops the lows like a fake out. All right. Here's the Texas country sounding song. I woke up this morning, coffee in my hand by Vertigo.
This morning, coffee in my hand. Screen is glowing, I've got a new plan. Scrolling through the feeds, another guru's on the screen. But this one's different, a trading machine. He's now wearing a suit, no fancy desk in sight. Just a gamer chair, shining ever so bright. He's talking futures, the market's high and low.
Oops.
My boy Rocket Scooter putting on a show. Oh, rocket scooter teaching me the way. Shorten the ES or maybe the NQ today. From the open bell till the closing chime, he's breaking down the charts one tick at a time. He says don't chase it green and don't panic on the red. Just follow the volume, get it in your head. Yeah, rocket scooter, the future's king, I know. Letting profits run and cutting losses slow. See the order flow, feel the market's pulse. He's calling out the levels, no baseless impulse. He's talking about support and resistance too, 100 times a day. The fundamentals he'll review. He's got his indicators, his setups are clean. He's not a get rich quick, he's a trading machine. He says don't trade with emotion, just stick to the plan. And don't risk more than you can lose, my friend. My man, rocket scooter teaching me the way. Shorten the ES or maybe the NQ today. From the open bell till the closing chime, he's breaking down the charts one tick at a time. He says don't chase it green and don't panic on the red. Just follow the volume, get it in your head. Yeah, rocket scooter, the future's king, I know. Letting profits run and cutting losses slow. He'll show you the setups, the breakouts, the fade, the way the big money's making their trade. He'll show you the scalps and he'll show you the swing. He's the rocket ship and trading is his thing. He says patience is key, the charts don't ever lie. Just read the data, look it in the eye. Rocket scooter teaching me the way. Shorten the ES or maybe the NQ today. From the open bell till the closing chime, he's breaking down the charts one tick at a time. He says don't chase it green and don't panic on the red. Just follow the volume, get it in your head. Yeah, rocket scooter, the future's king.
Guys, hit the like button real quick. To get this up to 500, we'll do our giveaway today again. 500 viewers. Push it, push it, push it. When we get here, if we don't get our likes target, we're gonna have giveaways. So
the futures market. Let's go. Sent.
Good tune, good tune. All right. Woke up this morning, coffee in my hand by Vertigo. There's a song When Matt Leaves the Room by Moose Whale. We're past the ETF event yesterday. Go to the ETF Discord, Steve, and talk to them about whatever questions you got. He said they sent out an email with all the codes or whatever, but get with them and they'll walk you through whatever. Okay, guys, votes are in. And in the poll, it looks like we got song number 1 was the winner of the two. Texas Country Vibes. I dig it. Playlist that one, which is good. All right. Here's Rogue of the Lamb.
I got my puts, baby.
Hedged and Dangerous.
You like me sweet, keep me breathing. You saw the breakout, chased it high. I saw the trap, I played it sly. While bulls were blinded by the light, I loaded dark and slept so right. Whispers in the map I trust. Fear and greed, I breathe the dust. I don't need no candle glow. I ride the shadows, let it go. I got my puts, baby, yeah. Stacked them deep while you were dreaming. I got my puts, baby, yeah. Market bleeds and I'm still leaning. You like my puts, baby, oh. Watch the red turn into winning. I like my puts, baby, yeah. Hedge me sweet, keep me breathing. No matter the direction. I got protection. Don't care if this pocket fails, my puts prevail. If hedge pressure breaks, I'm off that rail. Whatever happens, I don't lose sight. I'm covered deep, my risk game's tight. Monthly maps forecasting, I align. I stay calm, I'm never behind. Rest can slip, the winds can wail. I hedge with truth and my puts prevail. You held your breath, I held conviction. Watch you drown in your prediction. You pray for green, I pray for blood. Your hope was noise, I moved in the flood. I don't beg, I don't chase highs. My profit flies as the market dies. Fade the crowd, ignore the cheer. Truth gets loud when maps are clear. Don't fight the flow, I saw it first. I'll fade your hope, I feel your thirst. You chase the light, I own the night. This game is mine, and I play it right. I got my puts, baby, yeah. Stacked them deep while you were dreaming. I got my puts, baby, yeah. Market bleeds and I'm still leaning. You like my puts, baby, oh. Watch the red turn into winning. I like my puts, baby, yeah. Hedge me sweet, keep me breathing. I don't beg, I don't chase highs. Hedged and dangerous, no surprise. No matter the direction. I got protection. You know you do.
That's pretty cool, Jan. I got my puts, baby, yeah. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It has like it reminds me of like a little bit of Nine Inch Nails mixed with like a little bit of Lords of the Lost. I don't know if you guys like industrial metal. All right. Song number 1 versus
Catch the green wave, watch the profits grow.
oh, they're both good.
Chart swinging side to side.
What's up, Yoda? What's up, man? Sir Darb.
Signals hit, here it comes. No stress when the spreads get wide. Scooters, wisdom, reggae guide. Rocket scooter, ride the chill flow. Back stacking high, while the candles glow. Half gap by, sipping pina colada. Profit wave smooth, so smooth, like cool reggae agua. Yeah. Catch that wave, let
Okay, guys, what do y'all think about this one? Both the songs here. Both? Yeah, right. I figured y'all'd say that. Guys, so many good songs. It'd be like hard to pick winners this time around, man. Alright, made it to semis. Half gap boy. You can't compare. They're both amazing, right? They're both good. I like find myself driving the car thinking of this song. And then I'm always like, I got my puts, baby, yeah. Scooter skanking. Scooter skanking. All right. The winners are in. Both made it to the next round. We're doing a big giant songwriting contest to give away a bunch of prop accounts, rocket scooter accounts, things like that. Lifetime for the biggest winners here. Man, these are all good. Okay. All right. Now we dive deep into the return of Slightly Fatter Matt. As we know, after Slacks dons his trusty toad, goes up to the guy's castle and kicks him in the dick for scamming people, the fake Matts in the Discord. There comes a time when he plans his return. As we know, this is the return. This is the beginning of the saga. The name of the last song is called Scooter Vibes. Do you love Bitcoin?
Oh shit, he's back. I scream with might. This may not be the end of our fight. He's back again. He's back again. For rocket scooter Matt, we must defend. He's back again. He's back again.
It's an ode to all the fake Matts in Discord that message people. It turned into a whole saga, and we have a bunch of, just a lot of songs to go with it. And this is the guy who's behind all the accounts that's messaging people. He has his own software. He doesn't call it Hedge Pressure, he calls it Sledge Fester. He'll get you to join his secret Telegram. ask you for clicking links for crypto stuff. From RSNNATT, from RSNAT. There you go. What I hate about that is I will never know if somebody accidentally gets involved with that and just gets like schemed by somebody with a fake account, and then they just disappear and they never say anything. It'd be so sad how many cool people could get lost to like something like that. We would never know, you know? Oh god, there's like thousands of them. There's nothing we can do to get away from it. Victor makes his appearance into the song. That solo was pretty sick, dude. He lost a small crypto wallet? Dang, dude. This is after Slacks got into him the first time. He's got an ice pack on his nuts. Slightly fatter Matt wants you to succeed. He will lead you to the green. All right, that and Reckless Charts. There's a whole bunch of like songs for the saga.
Staring at the screen, red lines like fire. Try to chase it back, but climbed too high, then fell much higher.
Somebody said, with 12 or 13 accounts, I have to take all my trades each day. Can it cause over trading? No, not really. Because I split them up into chunks. Like, I'm not just trading one account and then one account, then one account, then one account. Usually in like small trades, I'm trading like 2. Medium trades, I'm trading like 5. Normal trades, I'm trading most. I'm trading them in chunks. I'm entering like different accounts like around the pivot. If I say I'm going to trade 3 accounts, a long, long, and long at the pivot, they'll be at slightly different places, but they're all the same trade, right? All right, so since the Slightly Fatter Matt songs have a whole saga, the first one's gonna get pushed through. And so that way, that one doesn't count towards a competition because it's part of a bigger saga. The whole saga made it through as a concept. So this is the first song in the contest we're comparing to something else. So the whole Slightly Fatter Matt saga is entered as one thing.
Numbers burned but not erased. Scars remind me why I wait. The market turns, the pain won't stay, and I'll rise again. Tomorrow's a new day. Let the charts reset my fate. Tomorrow's chart can start again.
It's a pretty inspirational song. All right. That is Britney's song, Reckless Charts. And then a new one. Simon Fraser has a song, Wrong from the Right Place Every Single Time. Metal. According to Chuck, the world's ending in 2 weeks, so you better... Yeah, time to full port, apparently.
Staring down the charts, pre-dawn glow. Liquidity's thin, but I still go.
Full port for Jesus.
Numbers burn like fire in my veins. Volume pivots whisper through the pain.
Remember, you have to max out your credit cards too. Take out a mortgage on your house, put it all into NVIDIA, yeah. Not real investment advice, guys. The Simon song, Simon Fraser. All right.
From the right place I fall. With a cold face, but I rise.
So it's the inspirational song, the metal song.
Every single time I step into the fight. Runs fast, but I don't chase. Rocket scooter maps the same.
Not financial advice. You called?
DD bands and hedge wall zones are the graveyards of greedy bones. Don't need luck, don't need a sign, just that clean confluence line. No shame in red if I took the shot from the level I swore I'd never forget. I'm wrong. From the right place I fall. But don't erase my edge. Lives in rules and time. Gains are made from the grind and the climb. Take the train.
What's going on with gold right now? Let's double check that.
Every loss I wear is a step to some.
Gold's kind of shitty today, yeah. What quite a run it had though since August, man. All right, guys. Get your votes in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Get the likes up. We're going to give away. Let's get that to 300 if you can. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Okay, the votes are in. It seems like the answer is neither. Unfortunately, neither song really had a lot of votes to get over the 50% mark. So, unfortunately, guys, great songs. I'm going to add it to playlist this time. I like that song a whole lot. And Brittany's, I'll add yours to the playlist as well. I like it a lot as well. But the community has voted. While you did make it to the quarters, you didn't make it to the finalists. All right. Giveaway song today. In the theme by Tech Trader. Well, one, yeah.
We aim to rise. Proper counts, boot camp, shining prize. For the love of God, just one try. One word, one chance, don't let it die. Pick a bucket in the street.
I would like to get something like this. Would be nice.
No bots allowed. Fingers itching, hit the key just one. Tap it once, let it be done. Type it once, don't play the fool. Type it once, stick to the rule. No bots, no cheats, no games to run. Type it once, let the best ones done. Type it once, don't play the fool. Stick to the rule. No bots, no cheats, no games to run. Type it
Slightly like Ed Helms Matt, like from Cedar Rapids. That's what that reminds me of.
The giveaway's the talk of the town. Pickles yapping, chaos bound. But the truth's in the click you found. Shadows creeping, cheaters try. But the code's too.
Kind of reminds me of this. I can never get that image out of my head every time I see that on my Netflix.
One shot, the stars align. Type it once, don't play the fool. Type
There we go. Slightly Ed Helms Matt.
rule. No bots, no cheats.
Slightly Andy Matt.
Type it once, let the best ones done.
Also looks like what's his face? Got
Stick to the rule. No bots, no cheats, no games to run. Type it once, let the best
what was his name? Jason Sudeikis, kind of a little bit.
type it once. Type it once, don't play the fool. Type it once.
All right. Type in once giveaway song versus catchy pop song. Now,
Lady on the boulevard, shine so high, sipping neon dreams in a plastic sky. Over seasoned chips crunch like thunder. Pickle the dog, a wiener wonder. Money done, pop, pop, make it rain. $100 bills flying like champagne. P&L flashing in the neon glow. Hedge pressurizing, we're ready to go. Recall chips, but I'm still snacking. Blue chews kicking in like nothing's lacking. Deep bands tight round the midnight hour. Got the moves like a synthwave power. Money gun, pop, pop, make it rain. $100 bills flying like champagne. P&L flashing in the neon glow. Hedge pressurizing, we're ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. Pickled chips, but I'm still snacking. Blue chews kicking in like nothing's lacking. Deep bands tight round the midnight hour. Got the moves like a synthwave power. Money gun, pop, pop, make it rain. $100 bills flying like champagne. P&L flashing in the neon glow. Hedge pressurizing, we're ready to go. Ready to go.
yep, slightly too long sound of Bix, right?
Pickle chips, but I'm still stacking. Blue chews kicking in like nothing's lacking. Defense tight round the midnight hour. Got the moves like a synthwave power. Pickles barking under disco lights. A wiener in the groove, yeah, he's feeling right. Lady eye rings from the edge of the floor. This vibe's got me begging for more. Money gun, pop, pop, make it rain.
All right, money gun pop, make it rain. He also had another. Get your votes in, guys, and also hit the like button. We'll get close to the giveaway pretty soon. Get your votes in, get your votes in. While Money Gun Pop Pop was a good song, it looks like the votes have voted the other way. They're both somewhat like giveaway theme songs. And the winner is Type It Once by Tech Trader, ending the poll here. All right, congrats, buddy. I only get a nice little dip to grab right at the end of the day. Be cool, probably like last hour sell-off maybe. Okay. Oops.
Rocket scooter zips through the night. Neon glow and city lights. No hands, no plans, no fights. It's moving on its own. Your time is yours alone. Automatic now. Rocket scooters automatic now. Let it take the wheel somehow. Automatic levels rise on their own. No more drawing all alone. Wow, it's a platform with a mind. Free yourself, unwind. Automatic now. Rocket scooters automatic now. All the work you did self-house. Automatic now.
There's another song. This is Tech Traders, Automatic Now. They're both in the quarters. You guys got to pick one or the other for the winner.
Pixel skies, neon glow, rocket scooter on the go. Used to sketch, used to grind, now it updates in real time. Blueprints scattered on the floor, don't need them anymore. Automated, no more stress.
All right, getting my pull in there.
Got a whole lot less. Hands free. What's this new sorcery? Rocket scooter flying high. Levels change, don't ask why. No more sweat, no more pain. Automated, now we gain. Rocket scooter, it's the vibe. 3 times back, I feel alive. Now levels update in real time. Endless hours, pencils down. Used to wear a paper crown. Now it shifts while you sleep. Dreams of freedom running deep. Jet stream, silver streaks. Platform speaks the words we seek. Time's a gift, no more loss. Thank you, tech, you're the boss.
I love how Tech puts his own name in the lyrics. Thank you, Tech, you're the boss. I love it.
New sorcery.
Tech Trader made sure to let you guys know who wrote the song and the lyrics itself. Yeah, looks like you guys have voted. The song's an absolute banger, man. This song should be on the freaking radio, yeah. So Tech wrote both of these songs, so you guys are voting between the two of them, man. Good deal, good deal, good deal. Rockin' Tubbs, cruising the Ferrari. That's right, dude. Got my, like... Got my, like, suit on with my sleeves rolled up. Channeling my inner Don Johnson here. All right, let's go. Good job, man. You beat yourself in that contest. That's good. Congrats for beating yourself. Giggity. Okay, good job, Tech. Tech's wrote so many bangers, dude. It's so hard to keep up. Okay. Okay. This is called Ride the Rocket, Rocket Ride to Liquidity by Kevin. You also beat yourself. I know, dude, you left your mic on. We heard the whole thing. You wrote the lyrics to yours too, Trading for Keeps, after listening to this. It makes you feel like you were all mine. I went along to Upper DD at 068 as the final move. I just want to make sure I have one account to trade with still. That's it. I got one more to do. I don't want to sit there all day for a couple of inches of move. I want to see like the attempt of a flush. That way I can play it. VIX is low. Any flush volatility will get eaten back up last hour. Something like that would be good. Other than that, I'm okay with the 20K day. Can't be mad about that. Are you about to do a Zoom call? Are you on camera? Okay. Okay. Pressure's mounting, but I'm built to last. Hedge me in, I'll bounce right back. Resilience, my armor, no room for less. Rocket. You want to go to the gym later? Actually, no, I got it. We haven't done the poll yet. This is song one of the bunch. Good little breakdown. All right, Rocket Ride to Liquidity. Kevin, love it. Okay, next song to go head to head with it. Another rock song in the vibes of John Cougar Mellencamp charting in real time. That sounds like the Eagles. Take it easy. How many lots? Minis or micros? Usually in these accounts, 1 to 2 minis. That's it. NASDAQ today. I did 4 different long trades. 1 last night, 1 pre-market, 2 after market open. and all of them are winners. This kind of takes me back because I was like John Mellencamp sort of sound. Little Eagles in there. It reminds me of me and my mom and my brother and my dad taking road trips to go camping and stuff. Listening to like Cherry Bomb in the car. You guys know that song. Outside the club, Cherry Bomb. The ETF, you can only activate 3, but you can pass up to 5. A lot of prop firms let you do that. You can pass more than you can have more than you can pass. Fund and X is the same way. You can have some on standby. Take profits the same way. So guys, remember, no boot camp today as well. That's cool looking. No boot camp today because boot camp finished yesterday. We take a day off. In real time. Charting in real time. Just looking at me like, what the hell are you doing? Get your votes in, guys. Why aren't people here? Toss a vote if you'd like in the poll and chat. Does ETF not allow risk settings? Couldn't set the profit limit? Go to their Discord and bug them and tell them about it. Tell them that I told you to bug them. Matt sent me over here, said, when's our risk settings? We'll get him to do it. I'll ask him as well later. All right. Now, I like the songs for playlist. But you guys get your votes in, get your votes in, get your votes in. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Days off tomorrow, 2 days without boot camp sucks. Well, boot camp's over, right? You got to take a break and let it all absorb in. And then we'll get started with the trader funding masterclass next Monday. I'm gonna have all weekend to kind of piece it together, put it together. It looks like, while both songs I do like and both songs are good, it looks like, unfortunately, neither song made it to the end. However, Rogue, that song speaks to my heart, and I'm gonna put it in the playlist and listen to it daily on the stream because it's so good. All right. It's very catchy as well. Okay. Slightly Fatter Matt Part 3. We'll just listen to it for fun, even though the whole saga's already made it. It goes so crazy. Although, this is the one with the suspicious picture. Again, I gotta show it to you guys. I have to go with the theme of it. So it just looks funny. Let me start over. The positioning looks funny because it looks like we're tag teaming. Even Fatter Matt, who's also orange. So a new foe appears is the name of the song. As far as this goes, somehow another scammer appears in Discord. Even Fatter Matt and Oranger Matt. So me and Slightly Fatter Matt team up to take him down. In this very subjective photo, I'm not really sure. Suggestive photo. Where Slightly Fatter's Matt finger is right now, but it kind of looks a little suspicious. Guy in front looks a little happy. Eiffel Tower. That's actually what they're doing, huh? Yeah. All right.
Suspicious of this guy, Matt let out a sigh and banned him.
Are we in Paris? LOL. The mat trick. That's what they call it. 3 mats makes it a mat trick. I love it. Oh, it's a slightly Ozempic mat. Study hard. We're taking a break today and taking a break tomorrow. And we start back up on Monday. So boot camp finished yesterday.
Was very fat and orange appeared on Matt's screen. Matt is gone, he is in jail.
Slightly Matt of size looks more limber than the other Matt. He kind of does, right?
But then out of nowhere, slightly fatter Matt appeared behind very fat Matt and put him in a headlock. Slightly fatter Matt briefly paused and addressed the crowd. Join my telegram. Slightly fatter Matt.
Join my telegram.
And then kicked his ball so hard that he broke his toe.
5 years away from now, the actually fat Matt will actually walk out of your screen and eat all your food. This is probably what's going to happen. AI is going to be so real. You're going to like a hologram in your room or something. Hey GT, what's up? Appreciate the content. You said position sizing is everything. How do you figure out how many contracts to trade? It depends on what you're... I have 2 ways to do it. I have a spreadsheet that I use to calculate how much I'm going to do in my prop accounts, and then I also have an equation I use for my real account. So the real account, I use my margin requirement, or sorry, my total net lick divided by the margin requirement, and that's my max position size. Margin requirement you can get from the CME website. Margin requirement is the maintenance times 1.1. So I divide net lick divided by maintenance times 1.1. Roughly speaking, right now, it's about 2.5 NASDAQ contracts for every 50 grand. In a prop account, I trade differently because it's not real money, it's prop. So you're aggressively trying to beat a system that's set in place. Prop accounts, I'm trading like 1 to 2 NASDAQ minis at most. 3 to 4 S&P minis at most on the biggest accounts with my firms, like 150Ks and 100Ks. And then scaling it down from there. I have an equation or a spreadsheet I use that calculates it. Okay, a new foe appears. Okay, the whole saga has already made it through. So we're going to talk about this one right here. Hold on, mate. This is an ode to every algorithmic trading guru out there in the world selling you noise on a stick.
Another level only brings you more paralysis. Clean up your charts.
It's called Stop Chasing Pigeons, because what they do is they follow a bunch of pigeons around with the clipboard and try to find the secret pattern to the pigeons. What indicator broke your heart? Which one did it? definitely the MACD. MACD is a cheating jerk.
Your trend lines and boxes only dirty up the chart. FEGs and anchor you think without knowing volume pivots.
Maroon 5 meets BTS.
The market doesn't care what you think without knowing volume pivots. You're only gonna say stop chasing pigeons around the park with a clipboard, thinking you can predict what they're gonna do next. Gonna do next. Stop chasing pigeons around the park with a clipboard, thinking you can predict what they're gonna do next. Gonna do next.
With my prop firms, how many are sim funded versus live? So I have a live ETF, live my funded futures, and then I have sim funded in my Tradeifys and in my funded X's. Stop chasing pigeons with the clipboard. Good deal, good deal, good deal. All right. That one is going to go next to this one. Is this song a finalist, guys?
Single time I take the trade, no fear in taking the pain. Yes, did I live? I breathe, I bleed. Right place, wrong time. That's all I
Taking offense to the AFU app slander, LOL.
take the every single time. Chase the dream, win big or lose small, but I take it
This is RST every single time I take the trade. It's sort of like a kind of like see their puddle of mud sound to it.
just don't care, they laugh and grin.
And then now it starts to sound, now it's like Kurt Cobain singing.
Out the silence then, my heart beats like a broken drum. Right
Nirvana sounding.
on the trade will come. Take the trade.
Am I a DJ? No, I'd be horrible at it. These guys are all the songwriters. All right, get your votes in. Song 1, song 2. Get your votes in, get your votes in, get your votes in.
The line is thin, the edge is sharp. I'm painting green across the dark. The fire
All right, guys, get those likes up to 250. They're low, man. Y'all don't like doing giveaways anymore? I'm so sad. Remember, going forward, if we don't get to our like target, no giveaway. So this is rule number 1. You got to remember every day, like target for giveaway. Nick Mark trademark the I have to poop sound. All right. Ending the poll, ending the poll, ending the poll. And the winner is kind of like both. They both made it because if you add both to 1 and 2, that's 50% pretty much on both of them. All right. Congratulations. Both of you guys made it to the next round. Okay, it was the last one. for this segment before we do our giveaway here. Have we done this one? Already did this one. Okay. Now we got Rocket to the Moon by Simon Fraser every single time I trade. I'm gonna give you guys a pass today. Starting tomorrow, if I don't see 300 likes in the first hour or 500 likes in the first hour in the mornings, we cancel the giveaway for the day. So the first thing you guys do if you come in here, please like. Our prop partners will stop giving us accounts if you guys stop liking the stream. That's part of it. The engagement score has to be up. So I'm telling you, if you don't do it, the prop partners will stop giving you shit to have for free. So think about it as the one thing you got to do. So don't forget. 368 people in the chat and 237 likes. I'm going to tell you. All right. I'm canceling the giveaway. I'll be back in 10 minutes. I'm going to go to the bathroom. Sorry, canceled.
So grab your charts, grab your crew. It's futures time, and we're breaking through, laughing all the way.
Sorry guys, I had to go to the bathroom. I canceled the giveaway. You guys didn't want to do it, so maybe tomorrow you'll want to do it. I like the song though. So the rule is that we have to get the engagement score up or our prop partners will stop giving us free accounts, guys, to give away. If y'all don't do it, they'll give us less every month and they'll just go away. So if y'all want it bad enough, thumbs up. You guys got about 30 seconds. I might turn it back on at 300. Maybe. Maybe. So to do our giveaways, you have to hit the like button. We have to get the ratio at least up 300 in the afternoon, 500 in the morning. That's the new rule. That's it. If you press it 17 times, does it help? All right, guys. You guys 30 more seconds. Oh, now you're doing it. Okay, now you're doing it. Okay. As soon as we hit 300, I'll spin the wheel. All right, good song. I like that. Rocket to the Moon is very good. Next song is Rocket Scooter Emojis. We'll see if we get to 300. 300. Thumbs up button below the stream. I love you guys. Let's do it. Let's go. So in the first hour, that's the roll. That's the benchmark. Jeez. Rocket scooter emojis. It's creating games non-stop. We love you guys and thank you for helping the stream out. That really means a lot. We have a whole team of people working out there to give you guys free accounts and giveaways and stuff. That's helpful. The bigger the better, baby. Oh, now you guys want to do it. Oh, okay. Okay. Also vote on the song too. Hold on. This song is making fun of gurus that put emojis in their trading algos. I've seen plenty of them. It's hilarious. You guys went to town on this one. So the 1920s jam or rocket scooter emojis. Alright guys, get your entries in, type button X in chat, let's go. But starting tomorrow, you gotta get them likes up, baby.
20,000 is all you need, and you get the ultimate emoji indicator for free.
The ultimate emoji indicator for free.
Rocket scooter emoji.
This song is like hella catchy, man.
Rocket scooter emojis. Rocket scooter emojis.
Alright guys, votes. Get your votes in. Okay, and the winner is Rocket Scooter Emojis Tech Trader. Make it to the next round. Cool. Okie dokie. Alrighty. Man, we're more than halfway done now. We've kind of narrowed it down pretty much. All right. It's going to get tough once they start getting like the real sort of competition where we get the finals against each other. Okay. All right. Okay, about to spin the wheel, you guys. Fun the next in chat. We're giving away 25K rapid accounts. What's great about the rapid accounts? Well, they are the fastest account to pay out. Literally the fastest account to pay out in all of prop space. 4 days to pay out from day one. 1 day to pass, 3 days to pay out. You get tiered scaled payouts on your first payout. Every 5 days of trading, you get a payout. And then each time you get a payout, you get slightly bigger the next time. And then that's it. You get to the end, you go uncapped. All right. Subs to the channel. If you have green text by your name, you subscribe to the channel. I think it's like $5 a month or something. You get 2 entries for every time your name is in here. Sub X2.
Push it till you're deep in the zone. Pickles at the door, giving that sign. Identize, say the trend is mine. Matt's in the booth, with a fan drawn wide. Gonna make that market take a wild, wild ride. Boogie in the bull zone.
Boogie in the bull zone. And we're gonna do some My Fun and Futures accounts after this. I think that's what I wrote at the top. Maybe I did, I don't know.
Push it till you're deep in the zone.
Push it till you're deep in the zone.
Now pump that price. Give it a tick more. Oh, that feels nice.
David P, winner number 1.
Baby. Let it run. P&L popping. Till the morning comes.
Boogie in the bull zone. versus Rogue of the Lambs fading into Lost Song. David P typed something in chat. I like Boogie in the Bullzone was funny. AFC wasn't here. That's a cool looking photo, man. Oops. Vector! Vector! Bro! Vector! Victor! Girl, let's go, bro. Did I won? You win. You win. Get your votes in, guys. Oh, it's neck and neck. The votes are neck and neck. Okay, Boogie in the Bull Zone against Faded. Okay, I'm going to close the poll in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And while I do love that song, it doesn't look like the community voted either one of them through. Hold on. Close, but no cigar. All right, we are in the finals. It doesn't mean it's not a great song. And also, Rogue has a million great songs, and so did Sir Darb. Those are both of their songs. But both of them have a jillion songs in the finalists. It's not like they all can make it, right? Okay. All right. Okay. You two, Fun and X winners, hang tight for a second. We're going to play a new song. Now imagine it's 2006. You just got out of school. You just got home. You have a 12-pack of Mountain Dew Code Red chilling in the fridge. You turn on your Xbox 360. Pray to the gaming gods that there's no red ring of death. You turn it on to your favorite game. Playing as you walk over the fridge to grab a bag of chips. You guys know what I'm talking about. We'll do one more Fun to Next account. Your friends join the lobby. It's time to play some Team Slayer. Chips in the fridge, absolutely. I like my chips ice cold. Most relatable trader ever. We would have all been friends, dude. We're gonna use this song for so many different funny things, I bet. Stoic for Profit, you had third winner. This good boy. We'll do My Fun and Futures just a little bit. Type something in chat, buddy. Volk's part. All right, congrats, you guys. I love it. All right. Next song. That's a slightly Halo sound. All right. We'll do another one towards the end. Oh, man, I got a headache today. Ooh, what a day, man. I love making money. Future. Just wearing spandex, capris, or slacks. No, not the producer. Are they a finalist? We're at the stage of beyond of if you like it to is it a finalist? Do you think this song is going to make it to the top 16 songs out there? I Dock in the House by Phantasmus. The other one was Sir Darb, Scooter Monk Chat. Volk's part. Awesome, dude. Awesome, man. This market is just like wasting your laptop battery. All right, guys. Get your votes in. Both? One or two or neither? All right, guys, hit it up. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's over. It sounds like while both of the songs are great, unfortunately, neither song made it as a finalist. Okay. All right. We've got a song here by Happy Poro called RS Saviors. That could be IDOC's intro for her channel. The poll is we're voting between two songs. Which one you like better? We're doing a songwriting contest for Rocket Scooter music. Theme music for the stream. If you win, 1 and 2 is the first song or the second song. If you win, lifetime Rocket Scooter, other prizes, monthly Rocket Scooter, tons of prop accounts and everything else. Neither was in third place. There you go. Hold on though. We gotta play the second song.
Just like snakes in grass, every gamble a shattered glass. But they'll decode, they'll hold the wheel, show you what's fake and what's real. We're on the edge, about the edge, about to fall. You're on the edge.
Let me say which song is a finalist. That's better to phrase it.
Rockets to the rise tonight.
Some of the songs are so bad, you have to mute so you don't hear the rest. LOL. This is Happy Poro. Okay. That one. Now here's another one. This is Let's Fucking Go by Tech Trader. So the rule is if 1 plus both is greater than 50, I pass it. If 2 plus both is greater than 50, I pass it. 1 plus both was 49, so it only made it to 49. Didn't have enough. So Grimskull, there's a song submission channel. You can submit any song to it to be considered for the next contest. We'll do another contest probably in a couple of months or something. But over the course of a couple of months, people submit songs and we have them. We do this. We do this all the time. So you can submit now for the next contest, which will be in like a month or two.
Let's fucking go to all the depths below. Let's fucking go where we let nobody knows. Let's fucking go.
Get your votes in. I'm gonna count to 20. Get your votes in, guys. We'll do my Fun and Features giveaway in a little bit as well. Thanks for hanging out and being here with us. Can you change your vote? Oh, in the poll, I don't think you can. So this is the quarterfinals. This ain't the semifinals yet. We're narrowing down like the hundreds of songs down to like the top 40. Pretty much. We got about 20 of them already for the next round. So next round will be the semifinals. There's like maybe 30 something in 25, 30 in there right now. Oh yeah, we like to have a good time when markets are slow and chill. Okay, that's Let's Fucking Go version 2. You guys got 10 more seconds to vote. Okay. And the winner is... Ooh, neither. Okay, good. You know why? Because I want you to hear Let's Fucking Go version 1. Version 1 I think is better. Listen to this. This is his other version of the song. I played him in this order on purpose. So like the David Draymond, yeah. Yeah, I wonder if Tech Trader will like be able to let you guys borrow his lifetime every once in a while, you know? was that was what's his face's joke. Rogue and Tech were talking. I think actually Tech said it. He was like, "Hey Rogue, can I borrow your lifetime every once in a while?" I kind of would love to see whatever band this is in concert, dude. I would listen to like every song. Yeah, dude, this is dope, man. Tech, it's like Tech knows me, dude. We're like brothers. He knows exactly what I like. It's my favorite style of music for the most part, from like my younger years, college years. This and like melodic death metal together are like my two favorite types of music. So, all right, we're gonna move to the next one. Like when we get to the semifinals, we'll listen to the whole song because we'll have more time. So that one versus Phantasmus, Leave Them Behind. Another metal tune. It's hard, dude. It's like T6 has a bunch in the finals, Sir Darb has a bunch in the finals, Rogue has a bunch in the finals, Tech has a bunch in the finals. Mike has a bunch in the finals. Wait, what did Matster say? Hold on, I didn't see what he said. 39% is more than 29. How is it neither? Okay, so you have to get more than 50% total. We'll never narrow it down unless we have some rules on it. Yeah. So you have to have more than 50% combination of it's a head-to-head vote, right? So essentially, if somebody likes yours plus both needs to be at least 50. So essentially, if neither one of them tip the scale, then they don't make it to the next round. Yeah. That's kind of the rule going forward. We realized if we didn't do something like that, we never narrow it down. So even though it slightly wins, we had to put in the both and neither, so that way, because we got 250 songs or something like that to go through. This contest will take 6 months if we didn't. We're at the stage where it has to be a winner, not just you like it slightly better than the other one. It's like, is this a banger or not? So we got to get to like, is this a banger? Trust me, the semifinals is going to be even stricter because they're all bangers at this point, right? Yeah. Well, we can't just do a knockout either because, you know, 250 divided by 2, 125, 64, you know what I'm saying? It, like 32, 16, 8, 4, 1. We've got like 8 rounds. We couldn't even like do head-to-head knockout sort of thing. It'd take forever. We'd be here like forever. All right. All right, guys. Is this song a it's not which is you like more. The poll keeps saying which song is a finalist. So it's like, hell yeah, it's a finalist. So some of you guys were like 30% and 10% add up to 40. If it's not over 50, then it's not it. So again, we're not trying to rob anybody. They're awesome creativity. The goal is if you made it to this round, your song was loved by everybody. Now in this round, if you get knocked out, it means it wasn't a finalist, but it was still loved by everybody. This is like, is this the winning song or not? Not as like, this is just an okay song. Yeah. We'll be here forever. Yeah, and a lot of them are similar, and we'll be here forever. And you guys will hate listening to the same songs over and over and over and over again, right? God, I'm so happy. This is my favorite time of the year. Once it starts getting chilly and cold outside, Halloween time, fall decorations, man, I'm loving it. I love the fall. All right, you guys get your votes in. Remember, and then also I have the power to push a song through if I think it should go through. I think it deserves it. Like if I'm like, okay, let's put this through, because we also need some head-to-heads. Like I can't have like a 1920s ragtime tune with nothing to go against. So I'm kind of keeping track of 2 head-to-heads. Like we got like 8 different reggae songs. We got to put some of them through. Bunch of metal songs. We're gonna need some head-to-heads. It's just if I like the song anyways, it goes to at least the semis. Then at the end, it's gonna be purely you guys voting. So Matt gets a golden buzzer every once in a while for one of them that I want to push through. So we're comparing Metal Tune with Let's Fucking Go. You guys get your votes in. Every once in a while, I'll throw in a golden buzzer just to rescue a song that I think needs to make it to the next round. Triple digit summer sucks. I know, dude. Fall's like the best. You need your help. My help with ETF, Shannon. What's up, man? How can I help you, dude? In New York, the fall is amazing, dude. I bet, man. It's kind of nice here, but it's just like really nice out there. All right, we're gonna end this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Looks like markets run up to DD band. Hopefully, I'm not getting a last minute dip to buy. I'd love to see us flush towards the end, though. I'll wait until 10 minutes before market closes and see if we flush. And I'll grab a dip one more time. Okay. Ending the poll. I can't believe you guys didn't like the Let's Fucking Go song. All right. Because I kind of want it to go to the next round. Because he has a couple songs. We're going to take his own songs and narrow them down. I'm going to pass the LFG, even though it got 29 to 14. A lot of you guys didn't like it. Okay. But he needs to narrow his own songs against his own songs. So we'll have like, I kind of have a way to do it. I think like we'll take all of Text against himself and all of Rogues against himself and pick like one of each of them. Like what's the best of the genres and then put them together that way. The semi is going to be framed a little bit differently. So I want to put this, I want to put this one through, the one that didn't get 50%, but I'm going to push it through because it's like probably one like my second favorite song of his, but also needs to also make it to the end. So he has some songs to narrow down between all of them. Okay. All right. Okay. We'll end there for song stuff. We're almost done, you guys. We're close. Should be able to finish. Well, actually, you know, we got like an hour left, whatever. 25 minutes. Whatever. All right, got a couple more.
Yeah. What's that? Show all the
Song
doms.
called Show All the Doms.
We in the building. Facts. Slightly fatter.
Shannon, so what happened, bud?
Let's go.
What'd you say, Shannon? Missed what you said. They screwed you out of your $80 activation fee that was supposed to be free. They will not refund. What do you mean? Why was your activation fee going to be refunded? That I'm confused. Why would you expect your activation fee to be refunded? I'm out of the loop on this one, man. You're gonna have to tell me what am I overlooking. They sent a code? Oh, for the Beat the Beast contest. Okay. You're supposed to wait for a code in the email. You didn't follow the directions. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Shannon, I don't know if there's anything I can do. If there's technical instructions to follow and you didn't follow them and you got charged, I wouldn't say they screwed you out of commissions. I wouldn't phrase it like that because they didn't technically screw you over, but try to get a refund and see what they say, you know, like if you didn't follow the directions, just be honest with them and say, hey, I didn't follow the directions, and then see what they say. It's supposed to be free, right? But were there directions that somebody said there was a directions on how you're supposed to activate it, right? And if you didn't follow the directions, you would get charged, right? You never received an email with codes? Yeah, like let everybody know that. Like fill out a ticket with them and let them know.
Just dream, hope, chasing every dime on the screen.
But everybody here seems to tell you
I play it slow, slow. Then I hit that flow.
that.
Turn the troll to a stain. And on the PL show. Bow. Fat green
Yeah, they're a little
bras,
behind right now as well because they had a huge turnout at that event. So give them like a little bit. Fill out a ticket, fill out a sport ticket, explain everything.
When I see red all day,
Simon Fraser, Fat Green Justice, show me all the DOMs sort of thing. I love it. Okay. Next song. Cult of the Curve. Is it song 1, song 2, or neither? T6 says you never got the email. Check your spam folder and check it. Yeah, they're a little behind, I think, is what they were saying.
Choirs of resilience float in the dome. DD thick like a gilded tome.
Oh, Byte System says, okay, Byte Logic says the emails are backed up and not sending. They said to wait. Some people are still receiving them. You should not have paid before the email is received. Okay, let me send them a message and let them know that some people paid ahead of time. Just put it together, Shannon, into an email and send it to, or into a ticket and send it to them. If they still don't do anything, send it to me after a week and I'll try to get you refunded on that. It's definitely not your fault for jumping the gun, but it's also your fault for jumping the gun as well. Kind of like one of those things where they should have sent the email. It's not your fault they were late on the email. That's definitely true. You were eager to trade it. You jumped into it not knowing. And so they should honor a refund for that, I believe. So let me ask them for you and see what they say. Sometimes people just don't, guys, you know, sometimes people overlook the directions. They're eager to get in, they pass, they're ready to go forward. And it's confusing because some of you guys may be very used to the prop space. Some people may be newer to it. They may not know all the nuances of, you know, read the fine print sort of thing. Happens. Okay, guys. The rap song or the Cult of the Curve song. All right, you guys take your vote out. Let me send these guys a message real quick and let them know. I'll have a couple of cases coming through. I'll try to get you worked on, bud. Hold up. You let them know. But go through the ticket system. I'm not going to bug them now. You know, like they're already, you know, doing their thing. Get in line with the rest of the tickets, and then I'm going to tell them I have a. Just tell them in the ticket that you came from my community. The Shannon, very important. Tell them, and anytime you guys talk to a prop firm, you always, 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 always attach my name, that you came from here. That will have 10 times the weight of you just filling out a ticket. And say like, I came from Mac Howard's community. And they will say, oh, okay. They'll know you're coming from here because I always let them know. Don't just say, hey, I'm having problems. Say you're from here. They love our community and they will listen and help you out and know that you're coming because I already told them you're coming. So I'm already letting you know, I got some guys from my community coming. So always, 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 anytime you put in a prop ticket, it'll help your chances if you say you're from here. All right. Show All the Doms is goated. Yeah, that's a pretty dope song. Simon Fraser. Very nice. Good deal, good deal. That is the winner. Although it didn't make it to 50%, I'm going to push it through. We need more hip hop songs in the finals anyways. Okay. Cool. But when it comes to the finals, it's going to be like, is this a banger 60%, you know, sort of thing. You're going to vote. There's going to be no both. There's going to be no neither. I'm going to put them head to head where you got to narrow it down. And it's got to be greater than 50%. So it's the winner. We'll move on. Probably something like that, I think will be what I do. Okay. Yeah, you literally put my name in that ticket. And I tell each of my prop firms whenever I negotiate with them, don't ever piss off my customers. Be fair with them. And they're always really helpful, but also it lets them know you're from here because I already just told them I got some people coming to you guys with some tickets about, and they labeled their ticket that they're from here, and they accidentally jumped the gun. They didn't read the rules. They jumped the gun because they didn't get the email. Can you refund them? That'd be nice. So they'll pretty much be cool about it. I think so. Don't worry. But still, though, you guys read the rules so you don't have to go through the headache of this. Don't be mad at them. Obviously, if this happens, if you skipped a step or whatever, it's on you. But don't be mad at them, and they're sure to help. They're not jerks over there. They're nice people. So we'll see what they say. Is it just you? Kevin said, is it the stats are not 100%? Are they not adding up to, is it rounding down? 3, 6, 7, 78, wait, 79, 88, 92, 100? It might be rounding down sometimes. Okay. All right. Yeah, so good luck, Shannon. Hopefully they'll work with you, dude. Yeah, no problem. But make sure you get a ticket, and it's probably gonna be a while because remember, these prop firms get overloaded when they have these big sales and stuff and whatever. They might have like a system overload. They got a lot of press for it, so. Okay. Okay, we got maybe 6 more and we'll finish out the day today. What song is this? Rogue of the Land. Through the fall, we stand tall. Looks like we're rallying up to 2468 today. I feel like to finish out the day. This has been a fantastic day. 20K across all my funded accounts. Or all of my accounts are funded, but 2. Sorry, let me reiterate. These 2 passed. So that's the final of the no DLL accounts. That's why I stopped them there. CD band is a risk interval band, which is an exploit of futures margin requirement. It's a high volume pivot, dude. It is such a cool thing. Predictable high volume pivot. Their emails got throttled. Yeah, that sucks. Oh, probably their email server couldn't handle that much, huh? They didn't have that big of a package. Probably because this is the first time we ever mentioned it. We probably overloaded their system. We've never mentioned their contest before. Probably overloaded their server. So where is the band? When you click on your futures, it'll automatically populate. So S&P is 65.95. It's a high volume pivot, predictable. That's the first pivot we had earlier. And if you come to your table, they're all listed in the table down here for each of the futures contract. You pick your month, and it'll give you the level. Through the fall, we stand. Rogue of the Lamb. Versus hard to pick because there's not another metal song to go with it. Okay, it's gonna go with this 80s song here, Depeche Mode style. You guys want to do some MyFund and Futures accounts while we're chilling? I'll give away two core accounts because you guys got a little bit better. How much did they give away on the show today, though? I wasn't paying attention. I was on like a freaking soapbox talking to people about psychology. Did they give? How many did they give away today on the show? You guys remember? 10? Okay. So we did what? 4 this morning. Then we gave away 44 boot camp accounts. And we're giving away, so 44 plus 10. 58 plus 6 today, or 5 today. So we gave away 63 things today. Dang, you guys remember we used to give away like 1 account a day? We gave away 63 things today. My goal would be to give away 100 things a day if I can get that big. That'd be cool. You guys, thanks for supporting the channel. As we get bigger, I'm gonna keep driving for that. Oh, they did 20 accounts. Oh, okay, so 4 plus 20 is 24. Plus the 5 we're doing now is 29 plus 44 boot camps. So 29 prop accounts, 44 boot camps today. Is your shoulder hurting? My shoulder's hurting right here too. No, I looked at you. We're doing the same. Look, come over here. I turned over to look at her. We were both literally doing the same thing, like exactly the same thing. Like I was rubbing my shoulder and I looked over.
My shoulder's like right here.
Dude, I got like a cricket. Did we sleep like upside down or something? What the hell?
I think I kind of did because I leaned to one side and I grabbed your arm and you leaned towards me and you grabbed my arm and we were just kind of like.
Dude, is it so weird that we're so like much alike because we do the same weirdness? Okay. I'm gonna spin the wheel in 10 seconds, guys. Get your votes in. The Rogue of the Lamb song. Or EST Depeche Mode sort of sound. Is this song a finalist or not? It's not do you like it, it's is it a finalist? No, we're at the level and we gotta narrow it down.
Oh, okay.
They're all gonna be finalists.
Oh,
it's like
yes or no.
It's like is it a finalist of the finalists? Yellow Dog, winner number 1 of a My Fun and Futures core account. All right, thanks. I saw you type in chat. Cool. We got a Yellow Dog here.
It's my right shoulders.
Mine too.
Damn, my shoulders good in this camera.
Dang, dude.
Or am I actually really swole?
Yeah, dude, you're looking like... You're looking at what I expect somebody that does Pilates like twice a day to look like. Dang, you are pretty cut. I'm very impressed. You see? Ooh. All right, Elite Ballers, winner number 2. Congrats, man. All right, you two guys, head on over to, guys or girls, head on over to our Discord. Go to our contest channel. Find our admin named Slacks, send him a message, take a screenshot of your YouTube ID from inside your account. That way we know it's you. Have an account already with My Fun and Futures. We'll hook you guys each up with a free core account to go have fun with. Core accounts are great. It's normally $77. It's a 50% consistency, so 2-day pass and then 5 days to payout. And core accounts are $1,000 payout. Pretty simple. They're dirt cheap and you get a $1,000 payout if you make it. That's why people like it. $77 can turn into $1,000 in 7 days if you make it to the end. Not bad. Not a bad ROI for like a very inexpensive account. Okay. Good job, you two. All right. So neither one of those have made it through. All righty. We've got 6 more songs to go through and then we're done for the day. There you go.
wakes up with the sunrise. Charts are lighting up the screen.
Yes. NQ struggling to break out a little bit. Right. NQ's res was about 6 and S&P was 50. So Nasdaq wasn't really getting a lot of love. A lot of rotation out of tech. Some of the bigger stocks are pulling back this morning. Like Amazon pulling back. Not really selling, not really rallying. Microsoft not really rallying. Nvidia not really rallying. We're not getting the power behind big tech, unfortunately. Matt's slightly older brother. Slightly Melton John.
Stacking up the trades on rocket scooter all the way. Liquidity math makes the plan. I'm not the average trader, I'm a rocket.
This reminds me of Greta Van Fleet, if you guys like those guys. Doesn't it? Melton John.
Streams are rolling live now. Followers fill up the chat.
That's way better, Melton John. All right, Melton John versus Sir Darb's Bear Market Blues.
Woke up this morning, charts were looking mean. That big old red candle, the ugliest I've seen. Futures dropping fast, ES on the slide. Market maker Matt say, son, better step aside.
We got John Mayer Cowart over here.
And they're hitting hard today. Prices falling faster than my stops can run away. Rocket Scooter says, don't you fear, just play it smart and true.
Josh likes this one.
But Lord, this downtrend's giving me the bear market blues.
The Bear Market Blues. Boom, boom,
When that
boom.
MH peaks, man, it's all downhill. Every bull in the room gets a bitter pill.
What I like about you guys, crazy as it is, y'all are a blues crowd, man. Y'all love blues songs. I've seen the votes on all of them. Have always been really good.
But this time the floor's gone.
You guys are some rockers like me. Rockers always dig some blues, man. Blues is never a bad vibe.
I got those bear market blues. And they're hitting
Solid, yeah, it's a solid song.
today.
Sir Darb, Bear Market Blues. All right, votes are in. Votes are in. Votes are in.
Than my stops can run away.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. No dips. Yeah, well, I mean, there were some in the middle of the day,
Just play it
or earlier in the day. Not really much in the middle. I've been waiting for today's open test to see if we get it. I can grab the 1A one more time.
bear market blues.
But with 10 minutes till MOC, I don't think I'm going to get it. But maybe.
It's a wild
All right, guys. Congrats. Today's winner, or today's, this one's winner.
there.
Bear Market Blues.
Everybody vanished.
I like that you guys, y'all like good music, man. Blues is always a jam. I could listen to blues like all day long and just chill out. All right. Okay. Here's a complaint song called The Wrath of Matt from Brittany. Basically, people that come for the giveaways and then complain because they didn't like it. Remember that one time I hosted that Twitter giveaway and people were like, one guy was like, I don't like the way that you did it. You did a random number generator. You should just make Grok do it. I hate it. And they're like, well, you were mad because you didn't win or whatever. Then we tried Grok again the next time, and Grok never even responded. Grok sucks. All right, anyways. Brittany wrote one called The Wrath of Matt.
He walks the wire, fire in his stare, truth in his hands.
And I don't think this applies, but I'm gonna show the photo anyways.
Built on the real till greed came up with hands to steal.
It doesn't really go together, but Grok turned into Grug. Grok sucks. Grux. Ow. The bear market blues is gonna be fun to just jam to whenever we're in a bear market. This? I think this one gets dubsteppy in the middle. I think I remember this one. No, but I mean, no, it's not dubsteppy now, but I think the middle breakdown turns into dubstep. If I remember this. This is slightly fall weather, Matt. Yep. You remember this song. I think AI has been writing dubstep before dubstep was even a thing. I feel like this, it's so robotic anyways. Okay. Okay, that was the Wrath of Matt dubstep edition. We got a couple more. Oh, wait, one more to go with that. To go against this one right here. This song. I know they don't really go head to head that easily. Rogue brought us back to like an 80s rom-com. ETF funded rules are making you cross-eyed. I've been talking to them about some rule changes, so stay tuned. I told ETF their consistency rule is really nice. I recommended to them that they go towards a more traditional consistency rule that's more easy to understand. They're both good, but the fact is their consistency rule needs to be educated, and they're going to change their website to really teach people better. The 15th, a brand new version of ETF's website is coming out on the 15th. I've already toured it. It's very nice. It'll help a lot further. Their website was lacking on explaining a lot of what it is they do. Huh? Yeah.
I'll try that.
All right, guys, get your votes in. After this, we got one more head-to-head and we're done for the day. Song off, yeah. All right, 5, 4,
3.
So their role is different. I'll explain in a second. 3, 2, 1. Ending, and ending, and ending.
And
I do like this song. I'm gonna playlist it. But unfortunately neither one of them won. Also, I'm not the biggest fan of dubstep. Although that was a really good dubstep song. Oh, it hurts. Like whenever this hurts, man, I can like it. So 23% rule, it's different than other kind of consistencies. So other consistency rules, for instance, if somebody says 40% consistency, it usually means no trade can be any more than 40% of your total. It means an at most consistency. It has to be at most 40% of your total. ETF is an at least. So what other firms do is limit how much you can make ETF forces you to make a certain amount. They're both the same. They both make you trade bigger when you trade bigger. You have to keep trading bigger. So theirs is to count as a day, it has to be 23% or whatever of your biggest trade, something like that. So if you trade bigger in one of your trades, then it forces you to keep trading bigger. You can't just flip the accounts. You have to actually make actual effective trades. So example is if you made $1,000 one trade, then every other trade you make has to be at least $230 for it to count. You can't flip the account $5 for it to count. So basically, other firms will have a no flipping rule. This combines no flipping and consistency in the same boat, but they don't limit how high you can go. So you're allowed to scale pretty far, but you still have to keep trading big. So essentially to achieve the same thing, it's just harder to understand. There's an extra step. So it's similar to everyone else's consistency, but imagine if like you go over on Tradeify and you go over 40% when it's supposed to be 20, you got to trade extra days to get there. With the at least 23%, if your trades aren't big enough, you still got to trade extra days to get there. On paper, they're pretty much similar in the same thing. The question you have is which one is going to get you to pay out faster. And if you trade big and like to trade big, the penalty is like less small with ETFs type of account than it is a traditional consistency. Because if you lose on the downside, hear me out, guys. Remember, if you have a 20% consistency rule on like a $9,000 Tradeify profit target and your first day you lose $6,000, you can't just dig out of the hole by making $6,000 the next day back. At 20% consistency, you can only make $1,800 a day. So if you lose $6,000, close to $6,000 the first day, it's going to take you 4 days just to get back to even for every 1 day you lose. So the idea is you have to go slow to dig your way out of the hole. But with ETF, you can make the $6,000 back the next day. They just make you do $1,200 every day after. So the idea is if you take a loss in ETF style, you're more forgiven to dig yourself out of the hole. You can lose 8,000 in 1 day, or 6,000, and then make it back the next day. You're totally fine. If I lose 6,000 in Tradeify and make 6,000 again the next day, then I got to make 30 grand to get my payout. ETF's profit target does not change. So do you guys see the difference? In my opinion, and I know this is different, ETFs is more versatile and useful. You can say, well, I can dig out of the hole tomorrow and make what I lost today back, but then every trade after has to be slightly bigger to count. Tradeify's is if you dig your way back, then you have to make 5 times the profit target, right? So would you rather make slightly bigger minimum trades or have to chase your profit target 5 times to get your payout? If I were to accidentally make $6,000 on Tradeify, I typically just would reset the account and start over. This is too far of a trip. So do you guys understand the difference of the rules? On the upside, ETF's rule is a little congested, but on the downside, it lets you dig out of a hole and save the account in a single trade. Do the math, okay? So Tradeify will add 5 extra days to your trading if you bust your consistency, right? ETF wouldn't add a single day additional to your trading, right? If you do the math, ETF actually is better to get you to the finish line than any other consistency rule out there. It's unique and weird and different, but it's better for that particular reason. All right, one more song, we'll call it. The longer they keep you in the game, the worse that it is. That's the biggest. If you know the risk model like I do, the biggest squeeze out rule is time and market. The longer you're in the market, the higher probability is you're going to lose. So keeping you in 5 extra days is bad. Making your trade slightly bigger is great. It's the same amount of days. Do we all understand what I'm saying? Every day you're trading is a coin flip that you blow up. Traditional consistency rules, when you blow it, you got to stay in the market longer. Yeah. So their attempt was to try to make it slightly better. Yeah. So in some instances, the ETF is more forgiving. When they told me the rule at first, I was like, I hate this rule. But then I read into it and I was like, oh, it's actually really good if you take a big loss out the door and you don't want to blow up the accounts or whatever. I know, because some of my Tradeifys, when I first started, took a loss out the door and I had to dig forever just to break even. It's your DLL one day in a row. You got to trade 2 days just to get back to zero. Maintain 20% at the same profit target. To keep your profit target from moving, yeah. So anyways. ETF refunded. There you go, bud. I got you, man. I messaged them immediately and told them about you, so they hooked you up. There you go. Glad I can help out, man. That's what we're here for. I sent a DM directly up the ladder, so. These are text EDM tracks. There's 3 of them, so it's hard to pick which one. You guys pick which one you like out of all of them. Yeah, you basically get to pick your minimum daily, but the number of days don't move. That's what I like. If I bust Tradeify's consistency, it's 5 additional days from there at minimum at the same rate. That's what it means. If you bust anyone's consistency from that day forward, it's that many more days. If it's normally 3 days to pass, it's 3 more days to pass. It's a brand new consistency target. So every day in the market's a loss potential. So with ETF, the punishment is you just got to trade bigger. It's the same number of days. That's why I tell you, that's what's kind of neat about it. It's a unique approach, but I always feel time and market is the biggest factor of people losing. The more days you keep a trader in the game, the higher probably they're going to lose. All of his songs are dope. They all made it to finals. Okay.
I'm dripping with confidence tonight. No slipping. Everything is
What's my favorite prop firm that has fair rules?
if you know
I have to give the honor to Tradeify and My Funded Futures. 0 evidence ever of a subjective payout with those 2 firms ever, meaning that you follow the rules, you get paid. As straightforward as it gets, I'd have to give it to Tradeify as the most straightforward of the firms. Tradeify has denied 2 payouts in the history of the company, and it was for very severe reasons. Tradeify is all automated. Brett prided himself in making it automated. So straightforward, easy to go. My Funded Futures, just the same. They caught up. So My Funded Futures is kind of in the same boat. So I'd say number 1 and 2 are those 2. Yeah. I wouldn't say favorite prop firm. Those are the ones that have the most fair and straightforward rules, right? My favorite prop firm that has straightforward rules, that's also a favorite prop firm, I'd have to give to My Funded Futures. My Funded Futures is the best rule set you have. No DLL, no consistency when funded. That's it. Simple as that. And if you want quicker days to pay out, Funded Next is good. If you want the easiest account to pass, ETF Static is good. They're all different. TPT, all around, is one of the favorites here. My personal taste is I don't like trailing drawdown, but most people don't seem to mind it. It's just me. I hate trailing drawdown. I hate daily loss limit. I'll try to avoid it if I can. TPT is the most used code in Rocket Scooter, hands down. So it is the fan favorite here. Remind me tomorrow to take profit trader giveaways in the afternoon. We'll be giving away 4 direct to funded ETF accounts tomorrow. Okay, guys, of the songs, which one do y'all like better? These are text EDM songs. So of all of them, you guys like number 2 better, right? This is number 2 again. They're all good, man. It's hard to pick. This one was my favorite one too, yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah, no afternoon stream tomorrow. All right, guys, market's closing in a minute. Thanks for tuning into the stream. Tomorrow, I'll be playing in Tradeify's Apex Legends tournament with my team. Hopefully, we don't suck it up. So afternoon, no stream tomorrow, no boot camp today. I'll see y'all in the morning. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Love y'all. Peace out. I should stream it here. This computer isn't set up for gaming. I mean, I could. I just haven't installed anything on it, and I have a really kick-ass gaming station with a giant 4K monitor. So, but they'll be streaming it on their channel. Okay, guys, I love y'all. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see y'all later, my friends. Let's let it ride. We'll let the song play until the end. See y'all tomorrow morning. Oh wow, end of the day selling. Look at that. Look at that.
Order filled.
I'm gonna buy that dip. I'm gonna buy that dip. I grabbed it. Whatever, I'm just let it ride. I don't know why, I'm just gonna grab the dip, who cares? One account, one contract. All right, I'll see y'all later. Yeah, sorry, the order filled. I try to mute it so I don't scare you guys. That's why I always try to mute that crap. I just scared y'all. All right. I'm buying the dip in that one account that had 500 bucks profit. That one has room to move, so.